Hi, and welcome to today's video, which is part of our series of using maths. And this one is called Health and Exercise Math. This is about your daily salt intake. A packet of peanuts has 40% of your daily need for salt. A can of fish has 25%. A pot of instant noodles has 54%. A packet of banana chips has 6%. And a bottle of Coca-Cola has 9%. Which things should you eat to make your daily intake 100% of the recommended amount? And I'm going on to the answer now. So you add all the percentages together, 40 plus 25 plus 54 plus 6 plus 9, and they come up to 134% total. So if I stop eating peanuts, which is 40%, or noodles, which is 54%, the total will fall to be less than 100%. If I stop fish, which is 25%, it will still be too high. It'll be 109%, 134 minus 25. So I need to stop fish plus something else. So Coca-Cola has 9%. So if I stop that as well as the fish, 25 plus 9, that will be 34, and I will be down to 100%. So the answer is I have to stop fish and Coca-Cola. And the next question is about daily exercise. Every day you run 2 kilometers for exercise. You run the second kilometer 20% slower than the first one. You run the first kilometer in 5 minutes. How long will it take for the 2 kilometers? And I'm going to go ahead to the answer now. Here we go. And the answer is 11 minutes for the 2 kilometers. You run the first kilometer in 5 minutes. The second kilometer takes you 20% more, so that is 120% of 5 minutes. So we do 5 times 120%. 120% is 120 divided by 100. So we have 5 times 120 on the top, 100 on the bottom. We can cross out a 0 on the top and a 0 on the bottom. That leaves us with 5 times 12 on the top and 10 on the bottom. We can divide 5 into the 10 on the bottom and get 2, and 5 into the 5 on the top and get 1. So now we have 12 divided by 2, and 12 divided by 2 is 6. So the time for the second kilometer is 6 minutes. Now we have to add the two together. The first kilometer was 5 minutes, and the second kilometer was 6 minutes. So 6 plus 5 equals 11 minutes for the 2 kilometers. Okay, the next one is about pollution from cars. The government of Thailand wants to reduce pollution by encouraging more people to drive electric cars, not petrol cars. At the moment, there are 2 million cars in Thailand, and the ratio of electric to petrol is 1:24. How many cars will need to change from petrol to electric to make the ratio 1:1? And the answer is 920,000. How do we get that? Well, first we have to find the present number of electric cars. So we add the two sides of the ratio together. 1 plus 24 equals 25. So we're saying 1 out of every 25 cars is electric. We divide the 2 million cars by 25, and the answer to that is 80,000. So at the moment, there are 80,000 electric cars. We need to get to half of the 2 million cars, so that's 1 million. So we already have 80,000, so we still need 1 million minus 80,000 equals 920,000. The next one is about losing weight. The doctor told me I am 10% overweight. My present weight is 75 kilos. How many kilos do I need to get down to? So I'm going straight to the answer now. So the answer is 67.5 kilos. I'm 75 kilos and I need to lose 10%. 10% of 75 is 10 over 100. That's 10% multiplied by 75. And that gives me an answer of 7.5. So I need to lose 7.5 kilos. Right now I'm 75 kilos. So 75 minus 7.5 equals 67.5 kilos. So that is my target weight. Okay, the next one is about getting more protein. The doctor told me I need to eat more protein every day. I eat only 90% of the amount I need. The 90% is 10% from beans, 5% from fruit, 15% from vegetable, 35% from fish, and 25% from meat. Which one should I double to get 100% of the protein I need? So I'm going straight to the answer now. First, add up all the different percentages. So 10 plus 5 plus 15 plus 35 plus 25 equals 90%. We are 10% short, so if we double the 10% beans to 20, the total will be 100%. So the new sum would be 20 plus 5 plus 15 plus 35 plus 25, which equals 100. To be honest, you don't need to add them all. You could look at the list knowing that you need 10% more. When you see one item is 10%, you know that doubling that one will be the right answer. And this is the end, my friend. See you next time.